Prince Harry's visa application sparked outrage as the Biden administration was accused of stalking. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Attack on refusal to disclose information required of Prince Harry's visa application to the United States. The row surrounding Prince Harry's visa application to the United States has been renewed after the Joe Biden administration was accused of failing by not disclosing vital information. The Heritage Foundation is trying to uncover whether the Duke of Sussex made false statements about his drug use in his immigration papers, an allegation he acknowledged in his memoir. Spear. Concerns have been raised that Harry may have provided inaccurate information on his entry forms. If proven, this could result in him having to leave the USA, as he only moved there in 2020. The Washington-based Heritage Foundation has twice used the country's Freedom of Information Act to try to get relevant documents released from the Department of Homeland Security. But this has not worked so far. Neil Gardner, director of the Heritage Foundation's Margaret Thatcher Center for Freedom, who filed a Freedom of Information request, is outraged this is just an ongoing objection from the Biden administration, he told Daily Express US. They have no interest in releasing the required documents. No matter all the stalling on the part of the Biden administration, this matter will be settled in federal courtesy. We have a very good chance of winning because this is all about transparency and enforcement of U.S. immigration law. In another angry outburst, Mr. Gardner continued. Delays of Homeland Security are totally unacceptable. The Biden administration is behaving here in a disgraceful manner, without any regard for transparency and accountability. To the American people, believe we will prevail in this case because it is an important issue regarding the application of U.S. immigration law. The Department of Homeland Security initially denied the Heritage Foundation's request to release immigration documents, prompting the think tank to file a lawsuit in a Washington court challenging the decision. The U.S. government claims that the organization's arguments are merely inflammatory allegations, but the Heritage Foundation insists that these allegations are merely an attempt to divert attention from the record. The Department of Homeland Security has now extended the timeline on this case, and applications are now expected in November, followed by a decision by a federal judge. On a second attempt, the Heritage Foundation attempted to release the information, but this was again denied, with the Department of Homeland Security confirming that there were entry and exit records for Prince Harry. But the U.S. government department declined to provide further details, insisting that despite being a public figure, the Duke of Sussex should not waive all privacy rights. The Department of Homeland Security said releasing such documents would be an unwarranted invasion of personal privacy. The ministry said information that may have subjected a traveler to further scrutiny at one time could be deemed inappropriate and irrelevant at a later time. Given these facts, one person's CBP entry and exit records, even those of a famous person, are not sufficient evidence to undermine public confidence in CBP and its enforcement of equal justice under the law. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.